Hello guys, these are 21 vocabulary words, so you can check this video. I will describe one by one. The first word is ability, which is capacity, talent and skill. Next is aid, which means help, support, assistance, relief. Next word is attain, acquire, get, achieve and gain. Adversity means calamity, misery, misfortune. Our next word is abandon, which means give up, leave, forsake. Next word is answer, which means reply, response. And brave, courageous, bold, valiant, fearless, daring. Next is build, which means make, erect, construct. Admit means accept, confess, acknowledge. Next is profit, which means advantage, gain, benefit. Other word is bear, which means endure, suffer, tolerate. Busy means occupy, engage, engross, involve. Criminal means culprit, captive, offender, lawbreaker and sinner. Next word is victory, which means trump, win, overcome. Beautiful means lovely, pretty, nice, attractive. Fight means conflict, clash, struggle. Cultivate means grow, foster, develop. Concern means worry, anxiety, restlessness. Contain synonym is include, receive, comprise. Corrupt means dishonest, bribe, shameful. Defer means postpone, suspend, delay. So these are all 21 words which you can definitely use in your speaking as well as in your writing modules also. It will definitely also helpful in your reading module. So please check all these words and also check my previous video, and it had 20 words which will definitely helpful in your IELTS exam. So please check all the videos and do message in comment section if you want these types of videos more, and I will definitely update the writing section and speaking videos, cue card related videos. So please check.